trap. When I leave the block, I'll be back when I get out. Pop my shit in the coupe, my shirt off. All I know is trap. All I know is trap. All I know is trap. All I know is trap.
All I know is trapping, young nigga, come get a 2 for 3. All I sell is peas, y'all niggas need to come fuck with me. I been on the block, hell nah, nigga, ain't shit for free. You try to get down, little nigga, I'ma let that 4-5 squeeze. I been on the block ever since, see, young nigga, what 13. Selling all these dimes, young nigga, looking out for police. I don't give a fuck, young nigga, I gotta go make that cheese. Mama told me to go get it and watch for enemies. Niggas selling gas out here, up in these fucking streets. I was doing bad last year, now nigga look at me. Driving through the north, I'm chasing these 20s and 50s. I'm just trying to get it from my whole goddamn family. Struggling cause OP, hey yeah, dawg, we been in them streets. Out here steady grinding, these niggas wish they could fuck with me.